All right, so let's discuss how we can calculate the density of a regularly shaped solid. So what do I mean by regularly shaped solid? Uh, what I mean by a regularly shaped solid is that the figure or the solid that we're talking about, for example, this little cuboid that we have here, this little cuboid or a box shaped solid should have definite dimensions. Like you should be able to know the height of it, you should be able to know the width, and you should be able to know the the length or whatever the dimension. All three dimensions should be known to you, right? So yeah, you can also be uh, considering a prism like a regularly shaped solid, or a pyramid, or a sphere. Like it could be anything that actually has definite dimensions. So the reason that why we are so comfortable calculating the density for solids like this is because the formula for density you always need to keep in mind is mass per unit volume. And in these figures, these regularly shaped solids, the volume of these figures can easily be calculated because we have defined formulas to calculate the volumes for certain figures, right? So for example, in this prism, you just need to have this base area, and then you just need to multiply the height of this prism, and you get the volume. And in order to calculate the mass, you just need to simply place this object or solid onto a balance, and you'll be actually given the mass for that. Right, so you get the mass, you get the volume. You just need to divide the mass with volume, and you get the density for a regularly shaped solid.